Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Again, I want to thank everyone for supporting the channel, all the viewers, all the subscribers. Immensely appreciate the support. For today's video, I thought I would go through a number of stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. All stocks that can be utilized in a dividend capture swing trade type of strategy. If you guys remembered from my prior videos, if you jump into a stock before the ex-dividend date and then hold until the start of trading on the ex-dividend date, you can sell that stock on that date or thereafter, qualify for the dividend, receive the dividend payment, and then try to get out of the stock in a positive swing trade. Today I have 4 stocks. One of the stocks is my favorite real estate investment trust, as you see up on screen here, APLE. I also have 2 other stocks that I think would be very good contrarian investments moving forward. Then one stock that is a high yield, high risk business development company with a dividend yield close to 15%. So let's go ahead and jump into these stocks. Again, all of these stocks have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. So you can buy this week, qualify for the dividend, and look to get out of the stock moving forward. The first stock, as I said, one of my favorite real estate investment trust, APLE, Apple Hospitality. Take a look at the graph. You can see quite a lot of volatility in this stock. You can definitely appreciate that over the last 5 years of trading. Wild swings up and down. Overall trend has been up. And you can currently see it is doing quite nicely over the last month or so. Now just above $19, getting pretty close to its all-time high, just over, I believe, $19.52. Take a look at the statistics. You can see a very nice dividend yield, 6.119% on the last dividend payment. Market cap, $4.39 billion. PE ratio, 22.70. If we take a look at the earnings, very good earnings over the last 4 quarters that have been reported. The last earnings report, Q1 2018, you can see it's beating its expected earnings per share by quite a large margin. And another great point about this stock, it's a monthly dividend stock. As you can see on the screen here, I have 2 dividend payments from April 16th as well as May 15th, $27.50. So the important dates for Apple Hospitality, APLE, the ex-dividend date will be on the 1st of June. The payment date will be on the 18th of June, 10 cents per share for dividend yield just under 6.3%. So again, a very good stock, and a stock that I think I would be more than comfortable holding for the longer term. The next stock is one of 2 stocks that I would consider a contrarian investment, Lbl Brands. I've talked about this stock on a number of my prior videos. If you take a look at that 5-year graph, you can really see how this stock has pulled back from a high just over $86 or so, down under $32. I think we can take a look at that over the last 1 month of trading here, dipping down to $31.68. It has been trending up here over the past 1 week, 4.36%, but definitely a stock that I think still has a lot of upward potential. Take a look at the statistics. Because the stock price has come back so considerably, you can see a very nice dividend yield, 5.052%. This is still a very large market cap company, $9.94 billion, PE ratio 10.32. Take a look at the earnings. This is why the stock has pulled back quite considerably. Q1 2018, you can see it missed its expected earnings per share, actual 0.17, expected 0.18, and really over the last 5 quarters here, as you see up on screen, it's had subpar earnings, and the earnings growth moving forward is projected to decrease as well. Just to remind you guys, this is the parent company of Victoria's Secrets as well as Bath & Body Works, so it has a very strong following, a loyal customer base, but it has been coming up against stiff competition from online retailers. So the important dates for L Brands, LB, the ex-dividend date will be on the 31st of May, payment will be on the 15th of June, 60 cents per share for dividend yield just under 6.8%. So a very good dividend yield, and one of 2 contrarian investments on the video. The second contrarian investment is Centrelink Ctl. If we go to the bottom here, some of you may not be familiar with this company. This is essentially an internet service provider. You can see on the bottom here, it's an investment holding company, has a number of different market segments. If we take a look up on top, just like L Brands, you can see it has been trending down quite considerably. 1 year of trading down 18.09%. For the last 5 years, 27.96 from a high just over $31, I believe, was the high. Trending down here under 14. I think it got under $12 at one point. Just like L Brands, it has been Doing a little bit better over the interim here. 3 months up 2.98%, but over the last 1 month, 1 week, it has been continuing to trend down. If we take a look at its statistics, a very good dividend yield. Again, because the stock price has come back so considerably, 12.95%. This is, again, a large company, $19.61 billion, PE ratio 11.583. Earnings, just like Lbl Brands, have been subpar. This is what has really been putting pressure on the price of the stock. You can see Q1 2018, it did beat its expected earnings per share, but just slightly, and overall, the revenue growth has been decreasing. It also has some poor projections moving forward, but again, I think this may be a very good contrarian play moving forward. The important dates for CTL, Centurylink, the ex-dividend date will be on the 1st of June, payment date 15th of June, 54 cents per share for a dividend yield just over 11.8%. So a very good dividend yield. The second highest on the video, and the highest dividend yield on the video is ORC, Orchard Island Capital. If you go to the bottom here, you can see that this is a business development company, finance company, a number of different market segments, as you can see on the bottom here. If you take a look at the price of the stock, just like the other stocks, quite a bit of volatility. You can see a very large drop off here. I believe this was due to a dividend being cut. Trending up nicely here. Again, coming back here quite considerably over the past few months of trading. Over the last 3 months, it is up a bit here, 1.07%. But a very high risk, high reward dividend stock. As you can see under statistics here, dividend yield, last dividend payment, 18.1%. It's a very small company, $392.73 million. PE ratio on the bottom, as you can see here, is essentially affinity NA. You can see the earnings here, negative 0.31. And this is not untypical for business development companies. They have wild swings in their profits for this particular company. And this is by far the highest risk company in all 4 stocks that I have presented here today. The ex-dividend date will be on the 30th of May. Payment date will be on the 8th of June. 9 cents per share for a dividend yield just over 15.1%. So 4 stocks all have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. Again, you can jump into the stock, hold it at least until the start of trading on the ex-dividend date. You can sell on the ex-dividend date or thereafter, pick up that dividend, and look to get out of the stock in a positive swing trade. So let me know what you guys think about these stocks. I think APLE is by far the best of the 4. LB and CTL, I think, would be very good contrarian investment strategies. But again, you can jump into the stocks, get the dividend, sell off on a swing trade, or really even hold longer for LB, APLE, and CTL. But again, let me know what you guys think about all 4 of these stocks. If there are better ones, please let me know in the comment threads down below. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any great video ideas, any great stocks for dividend capture, swing trades, please let me know. Always looking for new stocks to read up on and research. So, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.